Hello everybody, this is David. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to put a partition on an external hard drive. I have an external hard drive for my YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you how to add a partition to that in Windows 10 on my laptop, and we'll add a partition for backup. Alright, so what you want to do is go down here to the Windows icon and right click. It'll come up and go to Disk Management. Click on Disk Management. Give it a little second here. Let's make it bigger. Alright, so here I have, here's my C drive. That's my primary laptop hard drive, and this is my external hard drive, a Toshiba. And I actually made a partition. I'm going to make another one, so this is what you got to do. Alright, click on this area here and right click, and you want to click on shrink volume. So let's shrink the volume like that. It'll take a little bit, and enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. So let's clear this area, and I'm going to put 40,000. That's I believe let's see, I forget, I think it's 40 megabytes or gigabytes, excuse me, 40 gigabytes or 400 gigabytes, but we'll see. Alright, click shrink. And let's go over here to this one, and actually I just made this one bigger. I made this bigger. So it was 40 gigabytes, now it's almost 80 gigabytes, but that's okay. So click new simple volume like this, and a wizard will come up. You want to click next, and this is what your size is now. Click next, and you would need to assign a letter to it. So I'm going to assign Z for my backup partition. So it'll be, so all this is the same. Just click next and click finish, and over here it will format this partition. It's formatting now, and now it's done. So now you have a new volume Z, and let's try another one, because I got a lot of gigabytes over here, 853. Let's do another one. So you click on it to get those diagonals on there, right click it, shrink volume. Alright, let's do another one with 400 gigabytes, or let's do 2. Or 20 gigabytes, excuse me, 20. So shrink, and now you have another partition here. So click on it, right click, new simple volume. Click that. You got your wizard again. Click next. You got 20 gigabytes. Click next. Now you want to assign it a letter. Let's do X. That one will be X. And click next. And click next. And finish. And now it will format this one. So now you have, in the hard disk, you have actually 3 drives on your hard disk. Healthy. So anyway, that's how you do a partition in your external hard drive. Hope this helped everybody, and take care, be safe, and let's let me move this over here, down here. Everybody say hi to Kelly. That's my sister's dog. Cool dog. All right. Thanks everybody. Take care. See you later.